Hey folks, how you guys doing? Hope you are all having a great day today. It is not January. Hey folks, how you guys doing? Hope you are all having a great day today. Today is December 3rd when I'm recording this video, which is approaching 6 years of uploading videos on YouTube. I uploaded my very first video December 8th, 2012, and have been getting encouraging words and feedback and support from all of you guys out there on YouTube. And I don't know when I started Instagram, but I'm up to 100,000 followers over there, which is just fantastic. 500,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I cannot believe that there's that many people in the world who are interested in some guy talking to the camera in his garage and having a good time doing so. So thank you for all of the support over the years, and all of that support deserves a much bigger thank you than a simple thank you. So to help me do that, I've contacted some of the companies that have helped me out along the way, companies that I enjoy using their products and have no problem, and I'm proud to put my brand side by side their brand. So we've got a huge giveaway for 500,000 YouTube subscribers and 100,000 Instagram followers. I had to take notes. This thing is so big, and I'm so excited to be able to be in a position to where I can partner up with these companies and provide a really, really cool giveaway to a lot of people. Now, really quick, I'm not going to touch in on every single thing here because there is so much. So there's a link in the description down below where you can go to sign up for the giveaway, get as many entries as you can. And the giveaway will run until Christmas Eve, Eastern Time at midnight. And on Christmas Day, we'll use the Gleam widget to randomly select some winners and hopefully provide a little bit better Christmas to some of you guys out there. The giveaway itself is actually split into two different giveaways. It's a USA only giveaway and then a international giveaway. And the reason being is there's just a lot of international giveaway laws, just political crap that gets in the way and makes it difficult to send stuff overseas for giveaway purposes. So hopefully you guys understand the reason for splitting them into two giveaways, splitting it into two different giveaways. And for the international giveaway, I've got 3 prizes. The third place prize is a prize valued at $260, a 10-piece white side router bit set. The second place prize is valued at $425, and it is a complete Katz Moses woodworking dovetail package. Everything you need to cut dovetails, really cool. And the first place international prize is a $500 Amazon gift card. For the USA giveaway, we have 5 prize packages. The 5th place prize package is the 10-piece white side router bit set valued at $260. The 4th place prize package is the Katz Moses complete dovetail package, which is valued at $425, 8 pieces, everything you need to cut really awesome dovetails, really easy, I might add. The 3rd place prize, which, by the way, 3rd place through 1st place, huge shout out to Rockler Woodworking and Hardware for really stepping up and providing a lot of prizes, a lot of things for the rest of these prizes. And the 3rd place prize is an $897 package from Rockler. There's 16 items, a complete bench cookie set, bench cookie holder set, the medium bar clamp. There's so many things on this list. Check out the giveaway for everything that's in this list. 16 pieces, 3rd place prize. Thank you so much, Rockler. The 2nd place prize is the Revo 1216 MIDI lathe from Laguna, and then also with that lathe, Rockler is supplementing that with a really, really nice lathe package. So turning tools, lathe turner's apron, a lot of really cool stuff. Again, there's 13 things Rockler's including with the Laguna Revo 1216 lathe. Really cool 2nd place prize package. And the 1st place prize package is something I'm crazy excited about. Huge thank you again to Rockler for supplementing this project, or this prize I should say, and SawStop for providing a 1 3/4 horsepower SawStop PCS table saw with an outfeed table and a mobile base. And Rockler's providing an entire table saw package. There's 10 items, crosscut sled, small parts crosscut sled, a separate folding outfeed table, or I'm sorry, a rolling outfeed table that can be used with any of the tools. Really, really awesome 1st place prize package. Thank you, SawStop. Thank you, Rockler. Thank you, Laguna, Whiteside, Jonathan Katz Moses. Everybody who's provided a prize package for this giveaway. The links are down in the description below. I'm rambling. I got a big old smile. Hopefully you guys can go down there and win something. Again, the giveaway ends midnight Eastern time, Christmas Eve, so December 24th, and the winners will be determined Christmas Day. So be sure to check back on the giveaway page for the winner announcement. And that's it. You guys take care. Check out the link in the description. Enter the giveaway, and hopefully you guys can win something cool. Thank you guys for the support over the past 6 years, and 6 years is just the start. I have no clue where this journey is going to go, but thank you for joining me along this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.